Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this Microsoft Publisher into PDF. Yes. So it's very important. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to open it. Right? So very important to open it like this. So this is it. So we're going to go to the left of the screen. You notice the left of the screen where you see the word file. So you're going to click at it. Now when you click on it, now you notice this is what it brings up. The info. So this everything have to do with the info. So what you will see right here is new, open, save, save as, print, share, export, close, account, and option. What we want to focus on is export. So we're going to click on the word export. Now when you click on the word export, what you use right up here is to create PDF or XPS document right here. So you can publish to HTML. You can create different type of file right here. You can go to save for photo printing. You can save also for commercial printing right here, and save for another computer. But definitely want to come right into the middle. That's to create the PDF. So you're going to click. Now when you click on it, you're going to take me to this small window right here. So I want to make sure I save on desktop. So if you notice this scroll bar here, I'll come up here and I'll click on the desktop right here. Now I'm going to put a name right there. So I want to give it a name, project. So now we'll get a name project. If you notice right there, save as type, definitely it's PDF. So you're going to come right down here, it's a publish. So if you click right there, look up and there's a tool. If you notice right here, show different networks and all of that. So I want to click on the word publish. Now so I'm going to click on the word publish. If you notice it right here, you sure that it actually publishing. Right, it's very important. So this definitely I can actually minimize it. If you notice, this itself is it right here. Yes, very important right here. So this is how we actually convert Microsoft Publisher right into PDF. So thanks for watching. See you in